Hello guys, welcome to my channel Himanshu Verma, marketing psychologist. You need you can you can check my channel to learn marketing and business psychology. Okay, so today we will discuss about the a digital marketing topic, Facebook marketing. So how you can start with Facebook marketing? Okay, so let me share my screen with you. So the okay, like so what are the skills required to be a good Facebook marketer? So we can discuss today. Okay, so the skill required to be a good Facebook marketer or overall Facebook marketer. So the first and number one, I think the first skill is the effective communication. Effective communication is very essential part of like if you want to be a good digital marketer or overall marketer. Like without communication, having communication skill, you can't be a good marketer. You can't be a good marketer. So you have to develop a good communication skill or effective communication skill if you want to be a good marketer or a good digital marketer or a Facebook marketer. Yes, so second skill is like impressive writing. Impressive writing is also a most important skill to be a Facebook marketer or digital marketer. Like in Facebook marketing, you need to be write some ads. Like you need to create some info. You have to create some infographic ads sometimes. So create some infographic ads or some written ads. Okay, so or some writing in photo. So it is very important to if also have impressive writing. Or you if you don't have something written something in ad photo or something like, but you have to write something uh, to make your customer click on your ad. So like what is the sales pitch or the what are the click which you give to your customer. So writing is also an important part. And the third is creativity. So you need to be creative if you want to if you want to be create a good ad. Like if you want to be create a good picture of ad, or if you want to be write something extraordinary. So you need to be a creative. Be creative. Sorry for guys like some fumble. Okay, so the fourth part is like efficiency and time management. Like yeah, it is also a most important skill. Like if you want to be a marketer or digital marketer or social media marketer, because like social media is very time consuming. Like not time consuming, but very distractive. Sorry, very destructive. Yeah, so very destructive. Sometimes we distract. Someone can distract by doing their social media work. So yeah, it is very important to be effect it is very important to manage your time very effectively. So like efficiency and time management are also important skills to be a Facebook marketer. How do you blog or divide 20 hours or of the day of the total period of your ad cam- campaign to get the maximum value of you decide the budget. Yeah, time management is also required for your budget. Like if you don't decide the time for run your ad, so you will lose much money without getting result. So yeah, time management is very important part of the in Facebook marketing. Knowledge of traditional and digital marketing. Like if you want to be a Facebook marketer, so you need to be have like some basic marketing tactics, like how traditionally marketing work and how digital medium of marketing, like how the all the tips and techniques or technical terms of the Facebook marketing and all the other medium of other social media marketing mediums. And the sixth is building connection and networking. Like if you want to be a good Facebook marketer or a overall marketer, so it is also an important skill. I think top one or two skills in from the top one or two skills, like building connection or networking. Like without networking or without building connection, it is you can't be a effective marketer or digital marketer or Facebook marketer. And Facebook is all about networking. You can say like Facebook is a biggest social media channel. So Facebook is all about networking. Okay. And guys, you can also visit my website digitallinkway.com. This is my website. If you want to be get more, if you want to learn more about digital marketing and other things of marketing, so you can visit my channel. And also for business skills and many other things. And the seventh is like flexibility and the fast learning attitude. It is also important skill. Like if you don't learn fast, if you can't learn fast, so you can't be a effective marketer. So you need to develop. If you can't learn fast, so you need to develop that skills. Yeah, this is the good part of things. Like we can easily learn, not easily, but we can learn things at some time, like in 6 months or in 7 months. So we can easily learn any skill. So flexibility and fast learning attitude is also important to be a good social media marketer. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. And okay, so let's meet tomorrow. So bye. Okay, so bye.